back to my channel. It's Taisha. I'm finally back with another video. I know you guys, it's been a week since I last uploaded a video. I'm sorry, I'll get later into the video why I haven't been uploading. But today I'm going to be creating this beautiful smoky cranberry makeup look, completely inspired by this beautiful palette right here. This is the Makeup Revolution times Emily Noel palette. I am super excited for this, you guys. Ever since I saw it that she was coming out with a palette, I was like, I need to support her. I need that palette, and I just love her as a person, so anything she comes up with I'm definitely gonna support. But yeah, you guys, so that's what today's video is gonna be all about. It's officially September 1st, so for me it's officially fall time, even though outside, at least for me where I live, it's like 98 degrees outside and it doesn't even get cold till like October, but it's still fall time for me, and I absolutely love the colors, which is why I wanted to do like this beautiful cranberry smoky eye that just screams fall. So I really hope you guys enjoy it. But yeah, let me know in the comments below what other videos you guys like to see from me next, or makeup looks, because like I said, it's fall time and I'm super excited for it. Even though I love like summertime is my favorite season ever, I still love fall colors. That's like my favorite thing ever. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go ahead and get started. So like always, my eyebrows are done. You guys already know I always skip this step because I take like 10 minutes to do it. So for today's makeup look, I'm gonna be using the Emily Edit palette. This is the Wands palette. You guys, I am super excited to try this palette out. She's absolutely beautiful. She's so deserving of this collab. I'm surprised she hasn't collabed before, which I don't think so. If she has, I'm sorry. She put so much thought into this palette. This is what she looks like right here. This is the palette. Such a beautiful palette. It comes with 24 beautiful shades, a huge mirror, the names on the shadows, a beautiful palette. This is the colors. Look how pretty, you guys, and then the mirror, everything about this palette is just perfection. I'm gonna go ahead and get started, you guys, by priming my eyes. Let me see, here it is. So I'm gonna just use concealer to do so. Alright, so once we have our eyes primed, I'm gonna go ahead and use this little like paint pot by NYX. It's called the Vivid Brights. This is in the shade, what is this in the shade of? I have no idea. This is in the shade Mauve, I believe. I'm not sure, but it's just the darkest burgundy color. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this all over my lids as a base. You can use your fingers or your brush. I prefer to use my fingers so I can warm it up. And then I'm gonna pack this all over my lids. Alright, and then after I have this as a base, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab the shade in Midwest, which is this beautiful brown color right here. And I'm just gonna be using a blending brush to apply this on my eyes. This is the Morphe M535 brush. You guys, for some weird reason, this past few days, I have like a really like dry spot right here that you can only see when I wear makeup, because when I don't wear makeup, I swear to God, I don't see it. But every time I put like my concealer there and stuff, I can see that dry spot. Huh, I don't know if you guys can see it. It's literally right there. It's the weirdest thing ever. So once I am done with that, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this beautiful shade right here. This is in Sheer, I believe. Sheer, yeah. I think that's how you say it. I'm not sure. But I'm applying that with a MAC 242 brush. And I'm pretty much just gonna go ahead and pack this all over my lids. The reason I use a base is just to make it a little bit more intense and more pigmented. And also, you guys, I know I haven't filmed a video in a while. I am so sorry, you guys, but I recently started school again, and it's just been not hard, but you know, I just have to get used to doing homework again and just to balance my time a little bit better. Alright, so once I have that done, I'm just gonna go and use Love Tons, which I really like that. It's a beautiful shade. I'm just gonna be taking a smaller blending brush, and I'm just gonna focus that on my crease just to make sure everything's completely blended. This is a beautiful shade, and I'm telling you, they're blending so amazing. I love it. And I'm going in with Midwest one more time and just making sure everything's blended. This look doesn't have to be perfect because it is like a smoky eye. Perfect for the fall time, even though right now in Texas it's like 100 degrees. It's still September, which means it's fall. Alright you guys, and literally I think this is pretty much it. It's such an easy look to create. I'm probably gonna apply a little bit of a liner just so my lashes can blend in. I finally picked out two of my favorite lashes, or one of my favorite lashes, which is in Miami. I finally was able to afford these lashes, you guys. So these are in Miami. I don't think I'm gonna be using them today. Maybe I will, who knows. And I also picked up the Baddie B lashes in Instaho from a YouTuber. So I love supporting collabs, you guys. It's like my favorite thing to do. So let me know if there's any collabs, any more makeup you guys want me to try out. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a really quick line of liner just so you cannot see my lashes. I'm gonna use the NYX Matte Liquid Liner in black, which I really like this liner a lot. I usually always clean up the sides so I don't apply a really thick line. So I recommend you guys try that out in case you guys don't do it. And I'm just gonna do my line. And I also wanted to show you guys my new piercing. I don't know if you guys can see it. I got my cartilage or my helix done. I don't even know. Honestly, it didn't hurt at all. I thought it was gonna hurt. Oh fuck, I just messed it up. Okay guys, let me just go ahead and do this off camera, then I should be right back. Alright, so once the liner is on, my hair is starting to get freezy, you guys. It's just so hot in this room. But anyways, once the liner is on, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some mascara. I'm gonna be using the Lore'l Telescopic mascara in black, and I'm just gonna apply this on my eyes. Alright guys, so I went ahead and added lashes. I also wanted to let you guys know I went ahead and used the shade in Laugh Cry, which is like a beautiful coral shade, and I grabbed the same blending brush I was using to use Midwest. I apply a little bit right here on the brush, and I apply some on my crease just to blend everything a little bit more out and just make it a little bit more warm as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and move on to my face now. I'm gonna prime my face using the Faced Hangover primer, which I really like. I like how it's like a tacky primer once it's dried. And since I'm not gonna be wearing this makeup for a long time, I don't have to worry about a mattifying primer. Alright, and I'm just gonna go ahead and wait for this to get tacky, and then I'm just gonna apply my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I'm in the shade Beige. I know in the foundation review I did do for this foundation, it looked really yellow and like mustard all over my face, but I promise you guys it's just lighting. I have to work on my lighting a little bit better, but this is my shade. I've been using it every single time I wear makeup to school, because I don't wear makeup every single day. I wear it sometimes depending how I'm feeling that day. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and blend everything out with my beauty sponge. I'm just gonna use my Kylie Cosmetics concealer in the shade Maple. And then something I've been doing is letting it sit, not going right away and blending it out. And what this does, it gives you more coverage, and it actually highlights your face. Because what I noticed I've been doing is going in right away, and then I will see it sheer out right here. So something I've been doing is letting it sit and then blend it out. Once I'm done with that, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the RCMA No Color Show powder. I really like this powder. There's some people that don't like it. I'm not sure why. I actually really do like it. But I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some under my eyes. And I don't really bake with it. I just go ahead and set my eyes. And then I apply the rest on my face. Okay, and then once I do that, I'm just gonna use my Tarte Park A Princess Contour Palette. You guys, I don't know if you guys follow Foxy Charm on Instagram, but they recently came out with like a Foxy Look subscription box, and they're literally gonna be giving away, or like in the little box, this is gonna be in it. I'm super excited for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and contour my face. Don't forget your chin. Let's hide that double chin, you guys. And then don't forget your cheekbones and your forehead. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and contour my nose really quickly. To do that, I use this Luxie, what is this called? I think it's the 182 brush, and I use the fluffy side, and I go in this shade one more time. Oh, you guys cannot even see. I go in this shade. That's like my favorite shade. And then I contour my nose. And then I always like going in one more time with my concealer. Apply the tiniest little bit amount. Literally like a little bit, and then I move it around. Something I've been really into lately, you guys, every time I do wear makeup, I love applying blush. So I'm gonna be using this Wet n Wild blush. This is in the shade Mellow Yellow or Mellow Wine. I don't even know why I say Mellow Yellow. Oh, I think that's the name of my nail polish. But I love applying this on the apples of my cheeks. It just gives you some color, and I don't know, I really like blush lately. I feel like blush is making a comeback, and I'm just applying it with a Luxie 516 205 brush. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight my face. I'm gonna be using the Makeup Revolution x Soap palette, another great collab, you guys, that not a lot of people talk about. I feel like these two things not a lot of people are talking about, and they're amazing, and they're from Makeup Revolution. I really like Makeup Revolution lately. I also tried their concealer a long time ago, and I really liked it as well. So Makeup Revolution, it's amazing, affordable. So I'm just gonna apply some highlight right here on my face. Ooh, look at this, you guys. Only $12. I need to blend it out, I know, but only $12. Amazing. I use this shade right here with the Morphe M501 brush. And then let me go ahead and just blend everything out. So pretty. Super pigmented as well. I really like it. I need to put this in my body now. Such a beautiful highlighter. Look at this. I don't know if you guys can hear that ice cream truck. I'm sorry guys, but we're just gonna keep it going. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some inner corner highlight, and for that I'm using Oh Heavens, which is this beautiful shade right here. And I'm just gonna use a little pencil brush. Let me see if I can find one. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply this without wetting it first. I think this one I am gonna have to wet the brush. I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat what I did to the top to the bottom really fast. So I'm starting off with the darkest color, which is Sheer, and then Love Tons, and then to blend everything out I'm using Black Cry. I think, you guys, what I'm gonna do is apply this liner on my waterline as well. I never do this, and I feel like doing it today, so let me just go ahead and do that. We're just gonna go ahead and finish up my lips, and for that I'm gonna be taking my NYX Brown Lip Pencil, one of my favorites. A lot of you guys have requested me to do my favorite lip combos for all my Latinas out there, or for my beautiful lighter skin tone, darker skin tone, so I'm definitely gonna do that really soon. Just give me some time and I will do it. So make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. But I'm gonna go ahead, I can't even talk, but let me just go ahead and line my lips. I swear guys, this lip liner, everybody needs it in their collection. And then on my lips I'm going to be applying some lipstick. This is the Maybelline 935 lipstick. And then on top of this I'm applying the KKW lip gloss in the shade Super Nude. Alright you guys, this is the finished look. It's a beautiful smoky burgundy maroon cranberry eye. I can call this a lot of things, but I'm honestly in love with how this look came out to be, and I absolutely love how we use an affordable eyeshadow palette. If you all can get one thing from this whole video, I recommend you all to go and try this palette out. I feel like this is such an amazing palette. It comes with 24 beautiful shades. Everything, as you guys saw, blended amazing, and just the person that created this palette, you guys, Emily, from what I can see in her videos, she's just an amazing, authentic person, inside and out, just beautiful. So I honestly am so happy with this palette. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much all I have for this video. Thank you all so much for taking time of your day to have some beauty talk with me, to do your makeup with me, to eat with me, whatever you're doing. Thank you, and I shall see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.